नमस्ते दोस्तों। तो आज हम शुरू करेंगे एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू इन्फ्लेशन एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला प्रश्न है, इन्फ्लेशन रेफर्स टू। ऑप्शन है अ टेम्पोररी राइज इन द प्राइस ऑफ ए फ्यू कमोडिटी। ऑप्शन बी अ परसिस्टेंट राइज इन द जनरल प्राइस लेवल। ऑप्शन सी अ फॉल इन परचेजिंग पावर ऑफ द रिच ओनली। ऑप्शन डी अ राइज इन वेजेज बट नॉट इन प्राइजेज। इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी और परसिस्टेंट राइज इन द जनरल प्राइस। तो चलिए अगला क्वेश्चन पर चलते हैं। अगला क्वेश्चन हमारा है, इन्फ्लेशन कॉजेज डिक्लाइन इन परचेजिंग पावर बिकॉज। ऑप्शन ए मनी सप्लाई डिक्रीजेज। ऑप्शन बी प्राइज राइजेज फास्टर देन मनी इनकम। ऑप्शन सी रियल जीडीपी राइजेज। ऑप्शन डी इंटरेस्ट रेट फॉल्स। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी प्राइस राइज फास्टर देन मनी इनकम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच इंडेक्स इज यूज्ड बाय आरबीआई फॉर इन्फ्लेशन टारगेटिंग। ऑप्शन ए डब्ल्यूपीआई। ऑप्शन बी जीडीपी डिफ्लेक्टर। ऑप्शन सी सीपीआई। ऑप्शन डी आईआईपी। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी सीपीआई, कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in India, WPI base year. WPI means wholesale price index base years. ऑप्शन ए 2010 से लेकर 11। ऑप्शन बी 2010 से 12। ऑप्शन सी 2012 से 13। ऑप्शन डी 2014 से 15। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 2011 से 2012। अगला क्वेश्चन है, डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन ऑकर्स व्हेन। ऑप्शन ए एग्रीगेट सप्लाई एक्सीड एग्रीगेट डिमांड। ऑप्शन बी एग्रीगेट डिमांड एक्सीड एग्रीगेट सप्लाई। मनी वेजेज फॉल्स। ऑप्शन डी इंपोर्ट बिकम चीपर। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी एग्रीगेट डिमांड एक्सीड एग्रीगेट सप्लाई। अगला क्वेश्चन है, विच इज नॉट ए कॉज ऑफ डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन इन इंडिया। ऑप्शन ए रैपिड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ। ऑप्शन बी डेफिसिट फाइनेंसिंग। ऑप्शन सी राइजिंग वेजेज। ऑप्शन डी इंक्रीज अर्बन कंजप्शन। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी राइजिंग वेजेज। अगला क्वेश्चन है, कॉस्ट पुश इन्फ्लेशन इज ड्यू टू। ऑप्शन ए हाई सेविंग। ऑप्शन बी इंक्रीज प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट। ऑप्शन सी लोअर गवर्नमेंट स्पेंडिंग। ऑप्शन डी रिडक्शन इन एग्रीगेट डिमांड। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी इंक्रीज प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which type of inflation is specific to developing country like India? Option A structural inflation. Option B imported inflation. Option C creeping inflation. Option D hyperinflation. The correct answer is option A structural inflation. The next question is, imported inflation increase mainly due to a fall in wages. Option B higher global commodity prices. Option C reduction in tariff. Option D lower money supply. The correct answer is option B higher global commodity price. Next question is, rupee depreciation leads to. Option A cheaper import. Option B lower inflation. Option C costlier import and inflation. Option D higher export price. The correct answer is option C costlier import and inflation. Next question is, a major social cost of inflation is. Option A increased saving. Option B lower tax revenue. Option C reduced purchasing power. Option D higher productivity. The correct answer is option C, reduce purchasing power. The next question is inflation results in option A, increase real wages, option B, decrease real wages, option C, no effects on wages, option D, higher employment. The correct answer is option B, decrease real wages. The next question is hypothetical persistent high inflation leads to option A, higher trust in institution, option B, hyperinflation, option C, reduced poverty, option D, a stable market. The correct answer is option B, hyperinflation. Next question is monetary policy formulated by option A, Ministry of Finance, option B, Stock Exchange, option C, RBI, option D, Niti Aayog. The correct answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India formulates monetary policy. Next question is monetary policy mainly regulate option A, tariff, option B, labor law, option C, money supply, option D, subsidy. The correct answer is option C, monetary policy control money supply in the economy. The next question is which is a quantitative instrument of monetary policy? The option is moral suggestion, option B, marginal requirement, option C, selective credit control, option D, CRR. The correct answer is option डी CRR. CRR का फुल फॉर्म है यहाँ कैश रिजर्व रेशियो. अगला क्वेश्चन है बैंक रेट रेफर्स टू द रेट एट विच ऑप्शन ए बैंक लेंड टू कस्टमर, ऑप्शन बी RBI lends long term fund to bank, option C RBI borrow from the banks, option D bank borrow from each other. The correct answer is option B, RBI lends long term fund to banks. Next question is if bank rate increases, option A lending rate falls, option B lending rate rise, option B money supply expand, option D repo rate falls. The correct answer is option B, lending rate rise, because higher bank rate raising lending rates. Next question is open market operation refers to option A, buying and selling of government security, option B, buying foreign exchange, option C, printing money, option D, issuing treasury bills. The correct answer is option A, buying and selling of government security. Next question is to reduce money supply in market, RBI will option A, buying government security, option B, sell government security, option C, reduce CRR, option D, reduce SLR. The correct answer is option B, sell government security in the market. The next question is higher CRR leads to increased lending, option B, decreased lending, option C, increased money supply, option D, higher liquidity. The correct answer is option B, decreased lending, because higher cash reserve ratio reduce lending capacity of the bank. The next question is reverse repo rate refers to the rate at which RBI lends to bank, banks lend to RBI, buys less to customer. Option D, RBI print money. The correct answer is option B, bank lends to RBI. The next question is increase in reverse repo rate result in option A, higher lending, option B, less deposit with RBI, option C, bank keeps more money with RBI, option D, higher money supply. The correct answer is option C, bank keeping more money with RBI because higher return attract deposit to RBI. Next question is marginal requirement is option A, difference between loan amount and security value, option B, deposit rate, option C, tax on loan, option D, risk premium. The correct answer is option A, difference between loan amount and security value. The next question is moral cessation means option A, a legal order, option B, a government subsidy, option C, a persistence by RBI, option D, tax incentive. The correct answer is option C, persistence by RBI. RBI pursued banks morally. Next question is deficit financing means option A, borrowing only, option B, printing money only, option C, borrowing plus printing money, option D, higher tax. The correct answer is option C, borrowing and printing money. The next question is public borrowing is part of option A, monetary policy, option B, fiscal policy, option C, CRR, option D, repo. The correct answer is option B, fiscal policy because public borrowing is tool of fiscal policy. The next question is unemployment means option A, people unwilling to work, option B, people unable and unwilling, option C, people willing and capable but jobless, option D, only rural joblessness. The correct answer is option C, people willing and capable but jobless. The next question is common unemployment in developing nation. The correct answer is frictional, option B, structural, option C, cyclical, option D, volunteer. The correct answer is option B, structural unemployment. The next question is increased unemployment implies option A, higher investment, option B, wastage of human resources, option C, higher tax revenue, option D, higher wages. The correct answer is option B, wastage of human resources. Next question is which tool directly control liquidity? Option A, CRR, option B, marginal requirement, option C, fiscal deficit, option D, custom duty. The correct answer is option A, CRR. CRR impact liquidity directly. The next question is high inflation result in option A, higher competitiveness, option B, reduce international competitiveness, option C, higher export, option D, higher productivity. The correct answer is option B, reduce international competitiveness. Next question is speculation and hoarding leads to option A, lower price, option B. Stability. Option C. Artificial shortage price rise. Option D. Deflation. The correct answer is option C. Hoarding. Reduced supply due to increased price of product. Next question is supply chain disruption causes. Option A. Structural inflation. Option B. No price change in. Option C. Higher productivity. Option D. Lower unemployment. The correct answer is option A. Structural inflation because disruptions raise the cost. The next question is increase in SLR will. Option A. Increasing lending. Option B. Reduce lending. Option C. Increase liquidity. Option D. Raise inflation. The correct answer is option B. More fund locked, less lending. Excessive money supply result in option A. Deflation. Option B. Recession. Option C. Demand pull inflation. Option D. Wage freeze. The correct answer is option C. Because too much money supply in the economy increase demand, so the inflation. The next question is tool used when too much liquidity exists. Option A. Reduce CRR. Option B. Increase reverse repo rate. Option C. Reduce SLR. Option D. Increase deficit financing. The correct answer is option B. Higher reverse repo rate absorb liquidity. The next question is inequality increase during inflation because option A. Price falls. Option B. Rich earn more asset. Option C. Poor get subsidy. Option D. Wages rise faster. The correct answer is option B. Rich earn more asset. Asset owner benefits more. The next question is higher inflation causes. Option A. Business certainty. Option B. Reduced investor confidence. Option C. Higher saving. Option D. A stable currency. The correct answer is option B. Reduced investor confidence. The next question is hyperinflation leads to option A. Trust in currency. Option B. Breakdown of financial system. Option C. Low money supply. Option D. Higher unemployment. The correct answer is option B. Breakdown of financial system. The next question is in this option is not a qualitative tools of monetary policy. Option A. Moral suggestion. Option B. Selective credit control. Option C. Marginal requirement. Option D. Bank rate. The correct answer is option D. Bank rate is quantitative tools of monetary policy. The next question is seasonal variation in agriculture causes. Option A. Demand pull inflation. Option B. Structural inflation. Option B. Hyperinflation. Option D. Monetary inflation. The correct answer is option B. Structural inflation. The next question is deficit financing often leads to option A. Lower inflation. Option B. Higher inflation. Option C. Balanced budget. Option D. Lower expanding. The, the correct answer is option B. Hyperinflation. Because in deficit financing RBI print more money That's the result. The money supply in the market is increases. Thus, the inflation is increases. देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दोस्तों। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। कोई भी सवाल या राय हो तो नीचे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं। तो मिलते हैं अगली बार फिर एक नए वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।
अगले क्वेश्चन में मिलिएगा।